my son, young kid, he's like, suicide seat. I was like, all right, let's do it. I'm Edward Caswell from Evansville, Indiana. About 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to buy 2 Vipers. This was the backup race car. You know, we're kind of all about speed and just crazy, over the top. I don't care if it looks perfect. I care about what it's gonna do and how it's gonna perform. So last year we just got it done. Even naturally aspirated factory motor, it was quick. Well, Wednesday at 3 p.m., we were making pulls and it made a 3rd gear pull and it started smoking. So we had to make a decision if we were gonna make Moparty. So here we are. So I pulled the engine out of my other car, worked on it, had it done yesterday by midday, got the engine put in, 533 cubic inch motor. A lot of the parts are from A and C. On 10 pounds, it should be in the 1,000 plus horsepower. And with these turbos, it should max out about 12 or 1,300. I got a son that's going to UNOH in Lima, Ohio for automotive performance. And I got a daughter, she's 17. I got to be proud of them, you know. She's going for motorsports engineering in Indy. So we just kind of cut loose, like let the artistic side come out and be a little silly. And like he welded stuff he had never welded. Just let him do things, play around with it. He cut the panel in the back. It's not perfect, I don't care. Like the purpose of this thing was for our family to be able to play around with it and just have fun, learn how to do stuff together. And as it went along, it just kept evolving. Like my son, young kid, he's like, suicide seat. I was like, all right, let's do it. So I ended up putting a suicide seat in and then found out that he was flailing around. Then he put handles in and put a hoop around the back because it wasn't there. So yeah, it's just a fun thing for us to do together. So we're just happy to have it here, especially after Wednesday at 3 p.m.